Good morning, student of class 5A. How are you, student? In my previous video, I explained you deficiency diseases. So, and what is malnutrition? Now, in my today video, I will explain you some of the diseases which are caused due to lack of a vitamins in our diet. So, student, please take one rough copy and pen and note down the important points. Okay, student, in my previous video I explained you what is night blindness and how this disease is caused. This disease is caused due to lack of vitamin A in our diet, and a person suffering from night blindness find it difficult to see in dim light. And what are the symptoms for that, and what are the rich sources of food to prevent these diseases. After that, we discuss very and scurvy. Now let's start with rickets. So, student, how ricket is caused? This disease is caused due to lack of vitamin D in our diet. Is it clear? What is the cause of rickets? This disease caused due to the lack of vitamin D. So, what are the symptoms of this disease? The symptoms are the bones become very weak. The bones become very weak and even they break easily. So, student, see the picture. See this picture, especially in children. See the leg of this child. The leg. See the leg become bow shape. Is it clear? Due to lack of vitamin D, what's happened? The children suffer from disease known as rickets. And what are the symptoms of this disease? The bones become very weak and they can break easily. And see the leg of this child. The leg become bow shaped. Is it clear? This shape of the leg is like a bow. So student, this vitamin D is also called it sunshine vitamin. As our body is exposed to the sunlight, our skin produces vitamin D. Is it clear? Vitamin D is also known as sunshine vitamin. Reason is that as our body is exposed to sunlight, our skin produces vitamin D. So student, due to lack of this vitamin, the bones become weak and soft. And even when I teach you minerals like calcium and phosphorus, so at that time I explain you what are the function of these minerals. Calcium and phosphorus makes our bone and teeth strong. Is it clear? When I explain you mineral calcium and phosphorus, they are also needed for the strong bones of our body and teeth. Is it clear student? And the food which contains calcium, that is a milk, and which is very good for our bones. That is the reason student, when children are small, parents give them milk so that their bones and teeth are strong, so that the bones and teeth are strong. That is the reason it is also advised to give milk to the small children. So what is ricket? Ricket is a disease which causes due to lack of vitamin D. And what are the symptoms? Symptoms are bones become weak and soft. Okay. And even student, when our body is exposed to sunlight, our skin produces vitamin D. So student, this vitamin we need for our strong bones. And even the minerals like calcium and phosphorus, they also makes our bones and teeth strong. And milk is rich source of calcium and it makes our bones strong. So We give milk to small children. Next, anemia. So, first of all understand, due to lack of which mineral in our body we are suffering from the disease called it anemia. So these disease occur due to lack of iron in our diet. So what happens if iron is not in our diet, student? It decreases the level of hemoglobin in our body. And student, I explained you earlier also that due to hemoglobin, the color of our blood is red, and it play a very important role. Okay, it play a very important role. It carries oxygen. It carries oxygen in our body. So anemia, it is due to lack of iron in our diet. And what happens if a person is suffering from anemia? It decreases the level of hemoglobin in our body. And what is the role of the hemoglobin? Student, hemoglobin is a substance present in our blood that carries oxygen, because the nutrients which are absorbed by the body through blood, they circulate to all parts of the body. Reason, all parts of the body need energy to perform various functions. So oxygen helps in breakdown of these nutrients to release the energy. It breaks down these nutrients in the blood to release energy. Now let discuss, student, what are the symptoms. Now we will discuss symptoms. What are the symptoms? What are the symptoms if the person is suffering from anemia? A person who is suffering from anemia gets tired easily. ऐसा पर्सन जिसे एनीमिया है उसे बहुत जल्दी थकान हो जाती है. ठीक है. एंड अनदर थिंग यू विल ऑब्जर्व, अंडर द आईज डार्क सर्किल्स. Under the eyes dark circles, and due to this the another important thing is that if you observe the person who is suffering from anemia looks pale and also suffer from loss of appetite, it means that the skin of the body become yellowish. Is it clear? The skin of the body becomes yellowish and loss of appetite. Loss of appetite means ऐसे पर्सन को भूख बिल्कुल नहीं लगती है. इज इट क्लियर? ऐसे पर्सन को भूख बिल्कुल नहीं लगती है. ठीक है. तो ए पर्सन सफरिंग फ्रॉम एनीमिया, सिम्टम्स आर, these are the symptoms which I discuss with you. Now what we have to do so that the person should be recovered from anemia? So what are the things which we take in our diet? Green leafy vegetable, dates, beetroot, spinach, fruits, eggs should be taken regularly to prevent anemia. Now next, goiter. So student, a person first of all observe this picture, then I explain you what is goiter. Observe this picture. You will see the person who is suffering from goiter. When you observe the picture, see the neck. What type of neck is this? What you see in the neck? It's a swelling neck. Is it clear? So in the picture you see a person suffering from this disease has a swelling neck. Now student, let's understand, due to lack of which mineral the person is suffering from goiter. The name of the mineral is iodine. See, when you observe the picture, you observe that The person who is in the picture, he has a swelling neck, and due to lack of which mineral the person is suffering from goiter, that is here iodine. Is it clear? Name of the mineral is iodine. Now student, a person suffering from goiter, what is the symptom of this disease is the neck of the person is swelling neck. And what we take, so the student, the way to prevent it, by taking iodine salt in our food. Iodine is the mineral which is present in the salt, and you take this in your food if you are suffering from a disease goiter, because this disease causes due to lack of mineral iodine in our diet. Is it clear? Now next we will discuss what is obesity. What is obesity? So student, a person suffering from this disease, it means that that person is taking, or that person is consuming too much of fat. Now what's happened, if if anyone consume too much fat in his diet, then it shows a negative effect on the body. The body weight increase. And see student, this type of condition is also happen due to overeating. See in the picture, this type of condition also arises due to overeating of food. Now these days it has been observed that many children suffer from it, that is obesity. And you will surprise the student by knowing the reason. What is the reason? Reason is that children prefer junk food. They are not taking healthy food. Okay, so student, if you observe that in today world, it means I am talking about the present time. The healthy nutritious food means which contain all the nutrients in right amount. So in present time, student, healthy nutritious food have been replaced by the new food. And you want to know what was the name of this new food? You can say junk food, or you can say fast food. Is it clear? So student, foods like wafers, colas, pizzas and burgers are placed in this category. Now student love to eat noodles. So student, this is not good for your health. Taking too much junk, or you can say fast food, can make us put on extra weight. So student, we know that junk foods taste is good. Student, we know that junk food taste is good, but the most important thing which I want to share with you, that student, these food do not provide essential nutrients which we are getting by eating different types of food. So student, these foods are not healthy food for us. So please ignore or don't eat junk food. Now, after completing what are the diseases caused by different types of vitamins and minerals in our diet, because these diseases are caused due to lack of vitamins or minerals. Okay, I'm asking one question to you. Give the answer. A person suffering from night blindness. So tell me the name of a vitamin due to which the person suffering from night blindness. Yes? Yes, Abhishek, give the answer. Vitamin A. Okay, very good. Your answer is right. Vitamin A. Okay. A person is suffering from which disease? Due to lack of vitamin D. Okay, give the answer. Vitamin D. Which is the disease caused due to lack of vitamin D? What is the answer? Rickets. Okay, very good. So student, after watching this video, you note down in your copy, due to lack of vitamins and minerals, the person is suffering from which type of diseases. Okay, thank you student.